Hey guys, welcome in. My name's Justin, and what you're currently watching is my GammaTech channel. Obviously, we're going to be a little bit technology focused here. As far as what you're going to mostly be able to expect to see, so I've got an appreciation for like technical knowledge type stuff. So when my little brother was a computer tech, just starting out at Office Depot and doing computer repair work there, he ended up getting me started into enjoying computers and that kind of thing. I grew up impressing, I guess, rednecks, which really shouldn't be that impressive. Sorry, rednecks, if you're watching. But at what I could do with computers growing up, and I think had that been a little more nurtured, I probably would have been a little bit more of a computery type person than what I am now. But just because of my love for technical things, I actually got drawn back into it. So what you're probably going to be able to expect here, I do enjoy building computers and working on them. At the current moment, I'm not like real big into software programming or anything like that. I do have interest in learning some programming languages and that kind of thing, but I'm going to try to take you guys through a few software type things. By no means do I ever consider myself an expert in anything, but my main goal for everything is to take what I learn and share it with you guys, so that hopefully what I learn will be of some help to you guys. By all means, feel free to use a second source of reference somewhere. Back up what I tell you, because I feel like a lot of times I'll forget little technical details and everything like that, and maybe I can supplement those later on down the road as far as like actually being able to edit videos and that kind of thing. But yeah, ended up getting drawn back into computers. I also, I guess, in doing recording things, you'll probably also see some information about like recording gear, audio, video, that kind of thing. So I guess when I talk computers, I consider myself a little more of a hardware buff than anything. I guess in being able to make these videos and this kind of thing, I will do things a little more leaning in the direction of content creation. It's funny because we have this whole PC Master Race thing, and everybody's like, yeah, games, and I'm like, I suck at games, yay. That being said, there is a gameplay channel as well, if you look for it. But yeah, so I guess when computers come to mind for me, it's more from a like performance and usefulness is king. I don't know if usefulness is the right word, but whatever, that's what I'm going with. So cancel me now, yay again. Yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick idea of what you could expect here. Tech unboxings are going to happen here as well. Yeah, I just want to do a quick overview of what you guys can expect here. So I appreciate you coming in, stopping by. Make sure to check out the playlist for all the different kind of content I've got here. And if you've got any input, so one of the things of me considering myself not an expert, if you have input, feel free to leave comments, that kind of thing. We'll hash that out. Again, even with comments and that kind of thing, verify. Make sure that you're not just going off of what one person says, because that's always a bad idea. But yeah, appreciate you guys coming in, hanging out, and we'll see you in some of the other videos here. Thanks, guys. Bye.